Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's start lying down on our back in an X position. Open your legs wide, open your arms wide, and take some deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Bring the soles of your feet together for your butterfly pose. You have the option to place your hands on your belly as you take your deep breaths. Place your hands on your knees as you slowly circle your knees and your thighs up and then close them together, and then just make some circles just like that. So just opening the legs and then closing them together in one direction. And now you switch directions. Hug your knees in close to your chest. Lengthen your spine. Maybe you rock gently from side to side. Lower your legs over to the left side for a stacked supine twist. Your right leg is stacked on top of your left and your arms are open wide. Feel free to close your eyes. Let's pass through center as we make our way to the other side. Come back to center as you hug your knees in towards your chest. Grab behind your hamstrings and slowly start to rock up the length of your spine, maybe 2, 3, 4 times until you come into a seated position, and then make your way into a tabletop on your hands and knees. Cow pose, drop your belly low as you look up, shining your chest forward. Cat pose, round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Cow pose, look up, arch your back. And cat pose, round your spine, press the mat away from you. Come back to your neutral tabletop as you extend your right leg behind you, pointing the toe. And you have the option to extend your left arm forward. As you take a big inhale, exhale, crunch elbow to knee. Again, big inhale, straighten. Exhale, crunch. One more time, inhale, straighten. Exhale, crunch, elbow to knee. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, lower your hand, flex your back foot as you lower your toes down to the mat, and you just rock front to back, opening up that calf, stretching the back of the ankle. Let's open up for a modified side plank, reaching your right arm up towards the ceiling. Let's thread the needle with our right arm, sending it underneath us, and then reach all the way back up. Let's do that 3 more times. Take your time. All right, let's reach back up. Lift your left arm so that your arms are in a T position and your body is straight up. And we come into our gate pose, reaching up and over with your left arm. Lower your left hand back down to the mat for your modified side plank. And let's lift that right leg using your core strength. Flex the right toes, engage your core, and just breathe here for a couple more seconds. Lower that right foot down and lower your hand down. And now let's extend that left leg behind us with the option to reach your right arm forward. Big inhale, exhale, crunch, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, lower your hand down as you flex your foot. Lower your toes down as you rock back and forth. Really feeling a stretch all behind the leg, letting it really open up. Lift your left arm for a modified side plank. And begin to thread the needle 4 times. We reach that left arm all the way up. And now you lift your right arm for your gate pose, reaching up and over with this right arm. Lower your right hand back down, modified side plank. And let's lift that left leg, flex the toes, engage the core, and breathe. Lower your foot and come back to your tabletop. As you curl your toes under, sending your hips up for downward facing dog. Your fingers are spread wide, your palms are flat, and your hips are high. And you can start to bend and straighten your legs, just pedaling the legs out here. Straighten both legs as you rise up high on the tippy toes. And now melt your heels down. Again, rise up on the tippy toes and melt the heels. Rise up high on the tippy toes, bend your legs as you look forward, and step to the top of your mat for ragdoll pose. Open your legs, place a little bend in your knees, and grab opposite elbows as you allow gravity to do all the work here. You're just hanging. Release your hands as you close your legs together for a halfway lift. Hands to shins, your back is flat. Pull the shoulders away from your ears and forward fold. Slowly roll up to standing. Your head is the last thing to come up, and you bring your hands to heart center for a deep breath. Reach your arms up high for extended mountain pose. Micro back bend, cactus your arms open as you look up, pressing the hips forward. Come back to mountain pose as you clasp your hands together but point your index fingers up. For half moon to the right, send your arms to the right, your hips to the left. Back through center and half moon to the left. Your arms go to the left but your hips go to the right. Back to center and forward fold. Halfway lift, lengthen your spine. Plant your palms, step your feet back for high plank. Hold your high plank. Lower your knees and slowly lower down onto your belly for a baby cobra as you lift your chest 2 inches off the mat. And lower back down. Again, baby cobra, lift your chest. Maybe you lift up a little bit higher. And lower down as you open your legs for a full cobra, straightening the arms, maybe dropping the head back. And downward facing dog. Come up high on the toes, bend your knees, look forward and step to the top of your mat for a halfway lift and forward fold. Extended mountain pose, reach the arms up, micro back bend. Mountain pose, clasp your hands for half moon to the right. Really point those index fingers to the right and pass through center for half moon to the left. Come back through center and forward fold. Halfway lift, high plank. Shift forward as you lower all the way down onto the belly for your upward facing dog with hips, knees, and thighs off the mat. And child's pose, sit your hips back on your heels. Make your way into a seated cross-legged position. Take a deep breath in and out through your nose. And then take some shoulder circles to the back. And now to the front. And now let's take some wrist circles and hand circles in one direction. And now switch directions. Reach your arms up overhead, touching at the top. And now twist to the left, looking over your left shoulder, right hand to left knee. Come back to center as you reach up again, touching at the top, and twist to the right. One more time, let's reach all the way up, bringing your hands to heart center. And you take a big inhale, breathing in through your nose. And let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.